107 years ago, Einstein predicted a phenomenon that wasn't actually observed until another century later. That phenomenon? Gravitational waves. If you find the magic and the mystery of our universe interesting, well then today I'm going to tell you about this newly observed marvel. I'm a science illustrator for NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, so I get to learn all about our universe every single day. And today I'm going to talk about 3 different points around gravitational waves. First, what are gravitational waves? Second, when were they observed, who observed them, and what was observed? Third, why is this observation important in understanding our universe? First, what the heck are gravitational waves? Well, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory scientist Raffaella Margutti sums it up as ripples in space-time, which are a result of energetic processes in our universe. Some of the examples of those energetic processes: collisions of black holes or explosions of stars. Now you know what gravitational waves are. But next, let's discuss when they were observed, who observed them, and what they observed. According to the science.org website, it was Einstein that first theorized the existence of gravitational waves in his general theory of relativity. But it wasn't until September 14th, 2015, that the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, otherwise known as LIGO, which is a lot easier to say, actually detected movement in space-time as a result of the collision of 2 black holes, which you can learn all about on the LIGO website. But if you go over to the Royal Statistical Society website, there Renette Meyer and Nelson Christensen calculate the sizes of the 2 black holes in the collision in this observation. The first black hole, well, it was 29 times the size of our sun. But, are you ready for it? The second one, can you make any guesses? Well, that was 36 times the size of our sun. Wow, what a collision that must have been. All right, well, we've discussed what gravitational waves are. We discussed when they were observed, who observed them, and what was observed. Next, let's talk about why this observation is important in understanding our universe. The Jet Propulsion Laboratory states, it's important because gravitational waves carry the information about their inception and the fundamental properties of gravity itself, which can't be seen through the observations of electromagnetic spectrum. LIGO's momentous discovery also gave birth to a whole new branch of astronomy. Can you guess what it's called? Gravitational wave astronomy. This gives us another avenue for understanding our universe, even the parts of the universe that we interact with every single day, like gravity. Well, we discussed what is gravitational waves, and then we discussed when they were observed, who observed them, and what was observed. And finally, we talked about why it's important in understanding our universe. Now I'm going to leave you with a quote from Carl Sagan. If you wish to make apple pie from scratch, you first must invent the universe. Thank you.